أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Where is St. Lawrence River located? Say Canada. St. Lawrence River is located near USA and Canada. Which animal is the slowest animal in the world? Sloth is very slowest animal in the world. First census in India was made in the period of Lord Mayo Viceroy. First census in India was made. The politicians who served as both Governor-General and Prime Minister of Pakistan was Khaja Nazimuddin was the first person who has both titles Governor-General of Pakistan and also Prime Minister of Pakistan. The country with most physicians is Cuba has a title which has the most number of physicians. What is the average depth of ocean? 730 meter is the average depth of oceans. Where does the oxidation takes place in a galvanic cell? Anode. Oxidation takes place at the anode, positive electrode. Bile is collected in bladder. Basically, bile is collected in a gall bladder of human body. Which among the following is a common salt of a detergent? Sulfonate. Sulfonate is the main common salt of detergents. The Orange River flows in Africa. The famous Orange River flows in South Africa. Actually, its color is like orange, therefore it is called Orange River. What percentage of human body is made up of carbon? 18.5% of human body consists on the carbon. What percentage of carbon is present in a steel? Very important question. 2.5% is the percentage of carbon is present in a steel. The dash acts as an insulator of human body. Hypodermis act as an insulator of human body. Basically, it is a type of layer of skin which act as an insulator of the human body. Alexandria is a city in which country? The famous city Alexandria is located in Egypt. Basically, it is famous due to a signal of ocean. The bridge in Istanbul that connect Asia and Europe. Bosphorus Bridge. Bosphorus, famous bridge that connect Asia and Europe. Where is the North Pole of Earth located? Arctic Ocean. The North Pole of the Earth mainly consists of ocean, which is a small ocean, and it is called as Arctic Ocean. Where is the South Pole of the Earth is located? South Pole of Earth is a snow area called Antarctica, and temperature is very low on this area. First space satellite was launched by Pakistan. First space satellite was launched by Pakistan. When was National Aeronautic and Space Administration formed? 58. And simple word NASA. National Aeronautics and Space Administration formed at 1958. When was the social networking site Twitter launched? In July 2006, social networking site Twitter was launched. The Lee River is located in which city? China. The Lee River is located in China. Where is the oldest bank in the world is located? Italy. The bank of the world is located in Italy. International date line passes through the state. Bering State. International date line passes through the Bering State. The satellite was launched by which country? USSR. USSR was the first country who launched the first satellite. Second most abundant constitution of dry air in terms of volume after nitrogen. Oxygen. Oxygen is the second number of gas in a dry air. First number of nitrogen, which consists of 78%, and oxygen is 20.95%. Thank you very much.